Today we will walk around Mito, the capital city of Ibaraki. Located northeast of Tokyo, this peaceful city has many interesting places to visit. Today we will visit these places with JapanWanderTravel.com. They make your travel experience much better with professional guides. They invited us for this Mito walking tour. You can also take this tour if you are interested, just like us, to know the lesser known part of Japan. Now we are at the Mito station premises, and from here our journey begins. This is basically a resting area, but those three lanterns are displayed under the entrance roof are Seifu Chochin. Seifu is a historical name for the city of Mito, where Suzumo is located. In the Edo period, the lower-ranking samurai of the Mito clan began making Chochin as a livelihood. And Chochin produced in Mito came to used in other cities, including the capital city of Edo. Seifu Chochin also known for their sturdiness and simplicity. These are the statues of Mito Komon, Sukesan and Kakusan. Mito Komon was the real existed samurai lord of Mito. He was written as the main character in a popular samurai TV drama that lasted approximately for 42 years. From here, we will walk toward the Mito Castle site area. The main gate of Mito Castle was demolished in Meiji period, but this Oteman gate was restored and opened in 2020, and together with the landscape maintenance of this area, it is reminiscent of the atmosphere of the past. Mito Castle was a 12th century Japanese castle with an extensive history. During the Edo era, the castle was held by the Mito branch of the Tokugawa clan. Little of the castle now remains, except the moat area, one gate and the Kodokan, a school that was in front of the castle. There are several modern schools located on the castle's former site, which have gates and fences done in the style of a castle. Now let's go inside the Ninomaru exhibition hall, where you can get a deeper understanding of Mito's educational heritage. The Mito domain traditionally focused on education and academics. These history books, which are known as the Dai Nihonshi or Great History of Japan, was edited under order of Mitsukuni Tokugawa, who is the second lord of this Mito domain.
Mito Komon wrote a history book. There's a history book. This is just a little only few, but he edited more than 200 volumes. So when finished editing, we need more than 200 years. So after his death, editing was continue and finish 200 years later.
Remains of the fort and daily usable items are also carefully kept here. Kodokan was the largest clan school in Japan, founded by the 9th lord of the Mito domain Narayoki Tokugawa, and it is just the opposite side of the castle ruin. Kodokan could be called a university, which taught not only Confucianism but also practical subjects like medical science, military, and martial arts. The place also looks very beautiful and picturesque when the palm blossom blooms. You can use this bus pass when you visit Mito. This all-day bus pass costs only 400 yen and covers more or less all the tourist spots in the city. Now we have arrived in front of Omotemon, or the front gate of Kairakuen. This garden is one of the 3 great gardens of Japan and is recognized as a Japan Heritage Site. Kairakuen is basically a landscape gardening project started by Narioki Tokugawa. This garden was not only built for feudal lords or warriors, but also for common people. Here you can see the formal Japanese-style garden as well as modern park too. This is Kobuntei, a historic 3-story wooden building which was used as a relaxation quarter for noble people. Narioki played an important role in its construction and would invite writers, artists, and residents of his domain to Kobuntei. The ground floor was mainly used by the wives of the lord and other women. From the 3rd floor, visitors can enjoy a sweeping view of Lake Senba, Tazunaki Palm Grove, and the Shikinohara field of seasonal flowers. Nowadays, this park is mostly famous for the Japanese palm trees and having 3,000 palm trees planted of about 100 different varieties. Lots of tourists visit for the Palm Festival from mid-February to late March. There is not much time left for the Mito Ume Matsuri or Mito Palm Festival. You should also plan your trip quickly. There is a nice souvenir shop here where you can pick up some Ibaraki special gifts for yourself or your friends and family. Located next to the park, you can see Tokiwa Shrine, which was founded in 1874. Our today's trip ends here. This journey with JapanWanderTravel.com is very enjoyable and memorable too. Hope you like this video. Please like and share this vlog with your friends and family. See you again.